toothbrush, toothpaste. I'm brushing my teeth. This is a morning routine video. How y'all been doing? What y'all been up to? I'm gonna talk to y'all some more on another video. So comment down below, share this video with your friends and family, give this video a big thumbs up, and have a good day. Let's get into it. And I just got a shower. Mouthwash, which I hate. And I like to put lip scrub on my lips so they can be soft. Now I'm going to wipe the lip scrub off. So I can see the lip scrub. And after I do that, I like to put some Vaseline on my lips. Now my lips are soft and smooth. Get you some Vaseline from anywhere and get you some lip scrub because it's cold outside, and when you go outside your lips will be soft, not hard, chappy, and what's the word they call when they do like this? I can't think of it, but we're gonna do a little story time. A long time ago, like 5 or 6 years ago, anyway, my mama came to visit us, and she was putting Vaseline on her lips. So I'm like, why are you doing that? And she said that when you get out the shower or take a bath or go swimming, you're supposed to put Vaseline on your lips so they'll be soft. They won't be crusty. They won't look like you just got out of bed. They won't be real hard. You won't get that crusty stuff on your lips. And I can do like this all day long, and it's soft, real good. So that's why I put Vaseline on my lips. And that's why I put lip scrub on my lips. So first thing I do is put my lip scrub. Then I do Vaseline. And they so soft. And now I'm going to put this on my face. And then makes my face smooth. I'm going to put this on it first. So get you some of this. And get you some of this for your face. And this makes your skin, it's lotion. It got great for oil and skin. It makes your skin so smooth and soft, and I love it. So this is, I'm putting this on my face. Y'all can see me putting this on my face. This is a morning routine. So I love doing morning routines. I'm going to start doing morning routines on this channel. And I'm going to do morning routines. I'm going to make a schedule for y'all. So I put this on and I keep rubbing it in like this, rubbing it in like this, rubbing it in like this. And when you get a lot of it, wash your hands. And dry them off with a towel. And you're going to rub it in some more. And your face is going to be really smooth. See how my face is? Smooth. And then I'm going to go on top of that with this face cream. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of this in my hand. And I'm going to rub it. I'm going to put it on my face. And look, my face is so soft and smooth. So, we're going to recap. Now, I'm done. Okay, my face is soft. Y'all can see my face? My face is soft. My lips is soft. So, you're going to put, first thing you're going to do, you're going to put, y'all also know, you're going to brush your teeth, toothpaste, mouthwash. Then you're going to put, when you got the shower, you're going to do all this. Brush your teeth, toothpaste, mouthwash, your lip balm, your lip scrub. Then you're going to put your, after you do your lip scrub, you're going to do your Vaseline. You're going to do your lotion. And you're going to do your cream lotion. So, these two, all this stuff, Walmart, will get you right. And this robe, I just love it. I got this for my birthday. My sister bought me this. It got pockets. And this came from, you got the pockets. And it's real long. It came from J.C. Penney, so I like it. And also, I got these socks a couple of years ago. When you got the shower, you can get you some socks like this. Keep your feet clean. So yeah, I want to do a morning routine with y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And I will see y'all later. Bye.